Exploring the universe, galaxies, and the mysteries of outer space. On a clear, moonless night, away from city lights, and looking up at the sky, you can see more than 6,000 twinkling stars. But the stars you see are not the whole universe. They are just the tip of the cosmic iceberg, a small part of the Milky Way. Our Milky Way is a spiral system with 4 distinct spiral arms, extending outward, forming a giant disk that stretches for more than 160,000 light years. In that system, the number of stars exceeds 200 billion, and our Sun is just one ordinary star among trillions of others. However, although the Milky Way is so large, it is still just a tiny creature in the vast universe. The bright spot you see in the northeastern sky is the Andromeda Galaxy, the most distant galaxy visible to the naked eye, about 2.56 million light years away. This distance is unimaginable. If we traveled from Earth to Andromeda at the speed of light, 300,000 kilometers per second, it would take 2.56 million years to get there. Unless we exceed the speed of light, getting there in this lifetime is impossible. At such a speed, in the blink of an eye, we would have left the solar system. At this point, the Earth we live on would become an unrecognizable point of light among trillions of other stars. As we continue to fly, we will see the entire Milky Way and begin our journey to Andromeda. As we move away from the Milky Way, you will see many bright spots, other galaxies scattered throughout the observable universe. These galaxies are not randomly distributed, but are gravitationally bound to form small groups. Our Milky Way is part of the local group, a small group of 50 galaxies with a diameter of about 10 million light years. The Milky Way is one of 3 large galaxies in this group, but it is not the largest. The largest is the Andromeda Galaxy. As we begin to fly by at a speed of 1 light year per second, about 29 days later, we will reach Andromeda, a giant spiral galaxy with a diameter of 200,000 light years. The number of stars in Andromeda is many times larger than our Milky Way, at least 1 trillion stars. At the center of Andromeda is a supermassive black hole with a mass equivalent to 140 million suns. Although the Andromeda Galaxy is about 2.5 million light-years away, astronomers have discovered that Andromeda is moving towards the Milky Way at a speed of 120 kilometers per second. In about 4 billion years, Andromeda will begin to collide with the Milky Way. Although this collision may seem catastrophic, the merging stars will not collide with each other because the average distance between stars is several light years. Instead, the collision will compress the gas clouds between the stars in the galaxy, creating many new stars. Finally, after about 7 billion years, both galaxies will completely merge into a new, larger galaxy, which may be called the Andromeda Galaxy or the Andromeda Galaxy System. However, we humans will probably never witness this event because billions of years are too long for humanity, and no one knows if humanity will still exist by then. Thank you for joining us in exploring the mysteries of the Andromeda Galaxy. What do you think about the possibility of humans reaching this distant galaxy? Leave your comments in the comments section below. If you find this video interesting and useful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And especially subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Your support is the motivation for us to continue bringing quality content. Thank you.